Hey YouTube, what's going on? I wanted to make a quick video showing just an update on my theater room. I know it's been years, guys, since I've uploaded any content, and that's because I've been busy. Life happens, and I haven't had the opportunity to upload any videos. But um, I think this is one of those occasions where it is, you know, it's something that I want to discuss because it may help you guys make a decision when it comes to purchasing a television. And the television that I'm speaking right now of is the OLED, the LG OLED, the B4 77-inch. I finally replaced the Sony 940D 75-inch that I had. It lasted me 10 years, and as you guys recalled, I said that I would never replace it until it actually stopped working or it died. And saying that, one day I just decided to watch a movie and the TV wouldn't turn back on. So I knew at that point it was time to replace the television. And what I did was I did my research, and I wanted an OLED simply because the fact that OLEDs have the best black levels, and I wanted something different for the theater room. I didn't want to go any bigger than 77 inches because, as you guys can see, this room is pretty small. It's not a big room, and anything bigger would have meant that the screen would have been way too big for the seating arrangement that I have here. So I decided to stay with 77 inches. As you can see, it's perfect for the room. This TV is amazing, by the way, and the deal that I got was even better. I ended up getting this TV for $14.99, if you can believe it, at Costco. It was a hell of a deal. I couldn't actually believe that the TV of this quality and size would be that cheap. It also came with a free 5-year warranty, which was absolutely amazing to me, because, like I said, it's a great deal. Not only the price, but the included warranty for it. As you guys know, Costco is known for its warranty. Anyway, just wanted to say that this TV has been great. Have absolutely no regrets in purchasing it. It's snappy. The operating system works great. The picture quality is just outstanding. I'm going to show a little demo here of the black levels of the LG. Let me see if I can find it. Let's see. If we go to search, we go to. Let's see if I can. Sorry about that, guys. I just have not had the opportunity to play with this TV that much. But I did, like I said, I did my research, saw most of the reviews on it, and a lot of people don't talk too much about the B4 simply because it's not as bright as the C4. But honestly, for a room like this, as dark as this room is, I don't need a TV any brighter than this. This is plenty of bright. The colors are very vivid. Let's see, 4K or 4K video. Here we go. Let's found one here. Let's go ahead and play one for OLED. See if I can find it. Just to give you guys a quick picture here, testing the picture quality. So yes, if you are on the market for a new television, let's see, turn the light off. The viewing angles are amazing too. As you can see, I can get all the way to the side and the picture stays true. And that's one of the beauties of the OLED. There is absolutely no bad viewing, no bad seat in the house. I'm gonna sit here on the side on the theater room, and as you can see, the picture still stays amazing. For me, this was a no-brainer. $14.99 for a TV of this quality was a no-brainer. And I'm glad I got to pick this TV for the price that I did, because it's totally worth it. I did not want I did not want anything more expensive, because I figured, you know, for the amount of usage that I give this room, this was more than enough for me. I occasionally come in here, you know, watch a movie, maybe a sporting event, when I have friends over. But, you know, normally it's only for special occasions, basically, or when I want to just relax and put my feet up on the recliner and just watch a good movie or stream a good show online. This is the perfect setup for it. So if you're on the market and you see this TV still, because it's a 2024 model, and as you guys know, right now the 2025s are just hitting the market, which means that the prices on the 2024 are going to be very, very cheap. Jump on it. This TV is great. Picture quality is excellent. I have absolutely no regrets, nothing negative to say about it. And the bright levels, the peak brightness to me is actually more than enough. I don't need anything brighter than this. The size is great. The price was right. The colors pop. And it's easy to navigate. It's easy to set up. And it works well with my receiver, works well with my speakers, the sound. It supports Dolby Atmos, like I said. And I can't wait to start watching the collection of Blu-ray, 4K Blu-rays that I have still. And once I do that, I'll start uploading a few demos so you guys can see the picture quality on it. As you can see, just on the YouTube here, it's excellent. So anyway, guys, that is my initial impression. I don't want to call it a review because I haven't talked about all the specs, the motion. It's 120 hertz. It has 4 HDMI inputs, which all support HDMI 2.1, which was something that mattered to me. I do have a PS5 that I am going to hook up to this television. And yeah, I want to see if I can bring you a review on how gaming is. I've heard reviews of it being excellent for gaming, the response time and things like that. So stay tuned, guys. I'll slowly but surely start uploading more videos. Thank you for watching. Thank you for still staying subscribed to my channel, and stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.